really, but it's interesting um, that they are different, and sort of playing with different tools is a good idea, which I guess leads on to cost, right? Which was one of the things I wanted to talk about, and is it worth it? So Bing is free, completely free, right? No money whatsoever. You can hit it as much as you want. It gives you 15 fast ones, whatever that means. I don't think they know what it means. And then slow ones, which still might be as fast ones, or might be really slow, and kind of worked out it's when, sorry, Candy, is when your country's up. So when America's awake, this goes a lot slower. So that's how it is. So but this is free, so brilliant. Now, as you know, Millie, we're pretty much all night cafe users, right? So I'm an AI enthusiast. I bought this one for $20 a month, and actually, I burnt through those credits really quickly. So $20 a month for this one. Is it worth it? It is until I've burnt through it all. But that's $57 a month, which is 50 quid. No, $50 a quarter, I think, which isn't too bad. I think you can get by for free, and you can sort of do things to earn credits yourself. And what is new in Night Cafe is I do create Dream Shaper, which comes by default now, is only half a credit. So where like the SD XL one was 1 credit, and that was the sort of cheapest one, this one's half. So you know, so I think there are ways to get by with Night Cafe. That seems all right. So Adobe Firefly, for me, I do photography, so that for me it's almost like free anyway. So almost not to consider. But if you were brand new to it, well, basically I pay £10 a month subscription for Photoshop, Lightroom, 1 terabyte of space, and it comes with Firefly, which I think's when you're doing image stuff, and you get the upscaling in Photoshop as well, and I think that's pretty good, right? That's uh pretty decent if you want to do those sorts of things. So I think Adobe's worth it. Um, and then you've got um Mid-Journey, which I did open. Uh, and this is where it gets silly because quite a few of them are like this. To get a basic plan, $10 a month, which doesn't sound too much. And then a standard plan, suddenly like the next one up's $30 a month, which for me, I'm thinking, really? Um, if I'm doing that with several tools, then that's getting quite expensive. So that and that and that. I mean, what I've seen of Midjourney is good, but it's not that good for me. I don't know if people agree with that. Obviously, me and Andre, this is new to you, but um, I think you can get by on the cheapest stuff. Is basically what I'm trying to say. I think, and then Like I just loaded Leonardo as well, pricing, and I couldn't find out what on earth it meant, which is a smell. It just spoke about credits, so I've no idea. But and WordPress, well, one thing which I use for my website, um, file. I have actually got a website. It's just not showing. Reload. Come on. Bum bum bum. So how are you finding it, Millie? Andre, is this okay? Is this good stuff, or is it just wittering? Um, you know, um, I, right. So on here, so I think I can upgrade somewhere. Upgrades. So I'm on starter on um, WordPress. I have clicked that. I'm gonna click it again, and that's £3 a month, right? Starter plan, which is basically a website. Yeah, basically a website. £3 a month. You do have to buy the domain name. I got some storage, right? And you know, it's cool, right? So got this one, £7 a month. Don't really know what else I get with it. Access, but what I'd really want is this one with the plugins and themes. And this is where I can actually embed content in the website. And I can't do it with this one. And suddenly this is £20 a month. So do this and Midjourney, and that's like £50 a month. Can't do it, right? So that's no, doing it. Until things start going, it's all the cheap options, right? So um, and look, um, enterprise VIP, $25,000 yearly, and you can be like you can run CNN basically. You ready for that? Um, I don't know, but I've just found that the first option you actually want, you really want from these tools, whatever it is, goes up to